Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be unboxing and do a basic test for the new blue Sona XLR microphone from Logitech. So first in the packaging, they provided you with 3-step illustration in the front. 138 mic stand adapter. Additional windscreen in red color. And of course the blue Sona microphone. The package did not contain any additional XLR cable, so you need to use your own XLR cable. First impression, I like the design right away. Sleek modern design that would look in camera when I'm streaming. There's a big circular knob adjustment for easy angle adjustment. The build quality looks great with the metal construction. There's a 2 EQ switch at the back with a magnetic plate, which is the presence boost that increases the mids and highs, and bass cut switch that will basically cut the low end frequency noise. Currently, I am not using these features because I control everything in my Go XLR Mini EQ settings. This mic features 2 diaphragms, one that focuses on your voice while the other absorbs unwanted noise and vibrations so your sound stays great. So this is my settings in my Go XLR. Now I'm gonna test it again with the presence and bass cut off. Blue Sona is a new kind of XLR dynamic microphone designed for game streamers and podcasters. With clear amp technology, an innovative capsule, and a modern camera-ready aesthetic, Blue Sona brings out the best in every voice and creates a true studio quality stream. Blue Sona is a new kind of XLR dynamic microphone designed for game streamers and podcasters. With clear amp technology, an innovative capsule, and a modern camera-ready aesthetic, Blue Sona brings out the best in every voice and creates a true studio quality stream experience. Here's with the presence on. Blue Sona is a new kind of XLR dynamic microphone designed for streamers and podcasters. With clear amp technology and innovative capsule in a modern camera-ready aesthetic, Blue Sona brings out the best in every voice and creates a true studio quality stream experience. Blue Sona is a new kind of XLR dynamic microphone designed for game streamers and podcasters. With clear amp technology, an innovative capsule, and a modern camera-ready aesthetic, Blue Sona brings out the best in every voice and creates a true studio quality stream experience. Here's with the presence on at the back of the mic. Blue Sona is a new kind of XLR dynamic microphone designed for game streamers and podcasters. With clear amp technology, an innovative capsule, and a modern camera-ready aesthetic, Blue Sona brings out the best in every voice and creates a true studio quality stream experience. This is with the presence on. Now I'm gonna turn off the presence and turn on the bass cut. Bass cut on. Blue Sona is a new kind of XLR dynamic microphone designed for game streamers and podcasters. With clear amp technology, an innovative capsule, and a modern camera-ready aesthetic, Blue Sona brings out the best in every voice and creates a true studio quality stream experience. That is with the bass cut on. Now I'm gonna turn on both presence and bass cut on. This is with the presence and bass cut on at the same time. Blue Sona is a new kind of XLR dynamic microphone designed for game streamers and podcasters. With clear amp technology, an innovative capsule, and a modern camera-ready aesthetic, Blue Sona brings out the best in every voice and creates a true studio quality stream experience. This is with the presence and bass cut on. So from what I've seen from other YouTube videos, the downside is the price, which is overpriced. But last week, I took advantage of the price drop in Amazon and they brought the price down to 23%. So I only paid $269 for this mic. If you want to check it out, I have the link on the description below. This mic was really easy to add to my existing setup. Some other mics have been overly complicated to get up and running, so I was glad this wasn't the case. The sound quality is great and also the aesthetics. I use this mic for streaming, and so the appearance matters as it is visible. The quality of the actual material seems to be very good. If you want to take advantage of the price drop, as of this date the price is still $269, so you might want to check it out before it goes back to regular price. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Happy New Year!